In this video we will look at 10 essential steps to follow when buying a house. This is especially important for first-time home buyers. It is important to keep in mind that the process can take up to 6 months. So you need to plan ahead to avoid any unnecessary delays. Getting your finances in order, and figuring out how much house you can afford, will be a key deciding factor in determining the features of your new home. Before we begin, please subscribe and turn on your notification, so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Okay. Here are the 10 most important steps to take when buying a house. Step 1. Check your credit score. Credit scores range between 350 and 850. Before you authorize a lender to check your credit, you need to do a thorough review of your report yourself. This will help you identify any areas you need to work on before you apply for a loan. To obtain the best financing term, lenders like to see a credit score of 720 and above. However, you may qualify for an FHA loan with a score of 580 or higher. Step 2. Figure out how much house you can afford. Getting your finances in order, and obtaining a pre-approval from a lender, will help you create a budget for your home shopping. With a rough budget in mind, make a list of the most important features you need in your new home. Your budget will likely determine the features and location of your new home. Step 3. Find a real estate agent. According to Zillow, 82% of buyers use a real estate agent. An agent can help you with the overall process. A good agent can provide insight into the market, help with submitting a competitive offer, knows how to negotiate for contingencies, and handling hiccups during the process. Step 4. Get a pre-approved letter. A pre-approval letter shows a seller you're a serious buyer. To obtain pre-approval, your lender will evaluate your finances and calculate your debt-to-income ratio. If you are working with a mortgage broker, they can assist in putting together the required information to obtain pre-approval. Step 5. Start the home search. Searching online is a great way to start house hunting. After your search, you can make a list of the homes you would like to visit. During your visit, check for cell phone and Wi-Fi signal, check for leaking pipes, obvious roof damage, structural repairs that may be needed, proximity to highways and overall noise level. Step 6. Make an offer and stay flexible. There are a number of factors to be considered during the process. For example, your first offer may not be accepted and you need to counter. Also, if using a mortgage to finance the purchase, your lender's requirements must be met. The process to finalize everything can take up to 45 days. So, be patient. Step 7. Schedule the inspection. Getting an inspection is a critical step in the process, as suggested by the fact that 86% of all home buyers conduct an inspection. An inspection can detect underlying issues that may require expensive repairs. You should attend the inspection, and ask questions about the home, in order to get familiar with any issues you may need to have resolved. Once the inspection is completed, review the findings of the official inspection report, and decide a response for the seller with your agent. Step 8. Secure your financing. You must officially submit a mortgage application, even if you have been pre-qualified. Step 9. Purchase a homeowner's insurance policy. Your lender requires proof of a homeowner's insurance. If you already own a home, you may contact your current insurance provider. If you don't own a home, look for a policy that fits your criteria. Your lender may also be able to coordinate the payments for the policy in your monthly escrow. Step 10. Close and move. As a part of the closing process, you will be required to sign a number of legal documents to finalize the purchase. Before you attend the closing, make sure you carry out a final walkthrough of the property you are buying. This is to ensure that everything is as expected, based on your earlier visits to the property, and any contingencies arising from the inspection, that the seller needed to rectify. You will receive your keys after closing. Thank you for watching. If you find this information useful, please like the video so that more people can see it. Also, please subscribe so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.